Working on a diverse set of tasks can feel like a real burden. Often, it can feel like you're fighting your layout just to perform tasks like level design, animation, or lighting.
Having to rearrange all your panels when switching tasks slows development. It can feel like death by 1,000 cuts.
Enter Workspaces. Workspaces allow you to have multiple layouts open simultaneously, allowing you to switch between them and work on a variety of tasks without losing their context.
Workspaces also allow you to more effectively use multiple monitors and can be docked together or torn off to a new window, just like Google Chrome. Likewise, individual panels can also be torn off as child panels. These extend the workspace and retain a link to their parent workspace. This means that they're locked to context. And also reactivate their parents when selected, effectively muting other workspaces.
They also allow you to open certain file types in dedicated document workspaces, such as shader graph or prefab isolation. When you open a new workspace, you can choose from any preset configurations.
Here's the progress we made for Reel in the editor. Here you can see us switching between tabs for animation and lighting, as well as using our preset configurations to load up new tabs for those. Here you can see us opening prefabs in isolation and docking them back to a main window, which can also be done across multiple monitors and utilizes the built-in OS layout functionality.
Oh, and one more thing. Hiroki got full screen game view working, so that's pretty sick.